Okay, so hello guys, welcome back to another of my videos, and today I've got this website called Your Language Sucks. I know, maybe this video is out of topic of my normal videos, but I found this website so interesting. It's like this website is trying to show you that your language is not perfect. There are not such thing as the superior language, the best programming language in the world. No, there are no such things. That's why this website is exist. It want to show you how it works. It's not how a programming language works. It's not like this programming language is superior at all. No, each programming language has their own purpose, and has their own functionality, and used on a certain condition. Not every condition could be conducted by every programming language. It needs a certain programming language for a certain problems. Okay, let's see what we have here. We have this C, C++, C Sharp, NAD, Go, Java, JavaScript, Lua, Objective C, Perl 5, PHP, Python, Ruby, and Rust. Okay, I'm going to see the program language that I recently working a project on, and that is a Python. Let's see why the Python sucks. Your language sucks needs your help. Oh, it's an announcement. Oh, wait, what? Ah, so it's going to close on 24th of January 2021. So if you guys going to support this website, you guys could check out their Patreon. Yes, support them, give them support, so the website could be still live. Okay, let's see. Mandatory self arguments in method. Also, that means you can use method and functions interchangeably. Even so, there are cases where A, B would not necessarily be called B as a method, and A. In other cases when A, B will not necessarily be self-arguments like class no explicit, definite, blah blah blah. One complaint will croak. Well, I mean, yeah, will throw if called an instance of explicit. I see this as a problems. Well, actually, yes. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, let's see what they have. Since tuples are represented with parentheses and clarity for this, it's a common misunderstanding that the parentheses are needed, the part of the syntax of tuples. There is confusion, as tuples are conceptually similar to lists and sets, but the syntax is different. It's easy to think it's the parenthesis that makes it a tuple when it is in fact a comma. And if that wasn't already confusing enough, the empty tuple has no comma, only parentheses. Ah, yes. Ah, well, as you guys can see, these websites is already show how sucks the language is. But well, oh no, it's already end here. Suckless lessons, suckless. It's suckless. Blah 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 blah. Well, it is a common thing that I made. Well, it's actually not a small thing if you found it, if it happens to be a big problem because your project is already so big, and you found out, well, the last part of your projects cannot be done in this language, in this programming language. Well, first you could do it with make a way out, turn around, or maybe make another way of writing the programs, but it will take so much time. Or you could write it from scratch again with another language. That's basically it. Or you can find something in Stack Overflow. That's, well, I believe the third one is so much people will do that. Okay, let's see another one. I'll see Ruby. What Ruby sucks at? String down case. Who calls it a down case? It's called lowercase, and the method should be called lowercase or lower, and string uppercase should have been called uppercase, not upper. It doesn't actually make Ruby suck. It's just a matter of personal taste. Well, yeah, sometimes I'm getting trouble at remembering or memorizing the thing like uppercase and downcase, because in the other language, or not only a programming language but in your daily life, in day-to-day usage of the word, we're using downcase and uppercase. We're using lowercase and uppercase, not downcase or upcase. It's like down and up, down and up is a direction, upper and lower is not a direction. Just forget it. Okay, rigorous expression are always in multi-line mode. That's true. Is in blah blah blah. Yes, yes. Well, it's actually the more I look at this website, it makes me more realize that yeah, well, yes, a program. There is no perfect programming language. There is no programming language that perfect. No, you still had to, at least for me at least, mastering 3 or 4 programming language. Because as you can see there, there is so much thing that you are need to make it way around or using another programming language for that. Let's see, Go. I'm actually right now doing some project using Go, Go language. Go supports the nil pointer similar to C for it, an enormous source of bugs since nil can represent it completely supports the type of system. Ah yes, because strings or the slice of bytes, there is no simple way to index a slice string. Yes, slice of runes. Yes. Well, I'm actually haven't hasn't or haven't looked that deep into the Go documentary. I don't know. Well, yeah, I haven't actually seen that deep to the Go document, the programming language Go documentary. I don't documents. Well, yeah, the documentary. Well, there is C and C++. Let's see my favorite ones. C++. It's backward compatible. Man, yeah. Well, that's true because the second one is true because it has 2 different compiler. The first one is the what is it called? G. I mean the C plus one is G plus plus, and the C compiler is, what is it called? Oh fuck, I forgot about it. What? Well, you guys could look up on internet. Okay, the standard libraries offer very poor functionalities. Well, yes, yes, that's true because if you are not using an external libraries for C++, it's basically you cannot do anything with it. It's just a language, it's just print basic inputs and outputs. It's only that if you are not using any external libraries, not suitable for low system development and could become a mess for user level application. That's true. The standard doesn't define exception handling and name mangling. This makes cross-compiler object code incompatible. No widely used outsource. Supports the C++ ABI for syscalls. What is this as a function or variable? Variable. Ah yes. Blah blah blah. Well, you guys could look. And the last one. Oh well, it's actually I hate this language. I don't know why. There is no reason for that. That's a personal taste. But I don't like that much JavaScript. Let's see what you have. JavaScript. For the design, every script is executed within a single global namespace that is accessible in browser with the window object. Camel case sucks. Yes. Automatic type conversion between strings and number combined with plus overloaded to mean consuming addition. This creates very counterintuitive effect if you accidentally convert a number to a string. Ah yes, that's true. It's actually kind of problematic. More if you are just a starter, it's you're going to get confused at this one. But well, the more you use it, the more you could handle it nicely. The automatic type conversion of the plus function also blah 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 type system. The number type has precision. Ah yes, it is true. It's very true. And wait, the problem is not the result which is expected, but the choice of using floating point number to represent numbers, and this lazy language designer choice C. There is a floating point math itself. And n stands for not a number, yet it is a number. Why? That's why. Bad feature. Ah, yes, this is not that you need to see before you hate on JavaScript. You could bypass many of these bad feature by using linters, so that's fine. You could find it online. Ah, yes, it is true. This one, it's true. Keyword this is ambiguous, confusing, and misleading. Yes, this one is the thing that is not the most hate, but one of the thing that I hate from JavaScript. Keyword this is ambiguous, confusing, and misleading. Well, as you can see here, there's a local object reference in the method, well, blah blah blah, but return this. This is the object that the function method is being attached to. Okay, this is a global object, a function variable, function foo. Return this. This is a window, function example object, some new property bar, blah blah blah. This dot this point to the new object. This is a local. I mean, why I had it is not only just the usage of it, but it's also it's kind of make people thinking, what is this? What this means in here in a certain function or in certain condition. That's you could be confused. Well, it makes me confused actually. Honestly, this is the things that makes me confused in JavaScript. Okay, and so this is the more calculating one. Missing features. Yes, 16% immutability. DOM. Yes, the DOM. Browser incompatibility with Firefox, Internet Explorer, Opera, Google Chrome, Safari, Conqueror, etc. Make dealing with the DOM a pain if you have an invention. Yes, blah blah blah. All alerts, suckless listens as a way to GitHub and so on. Well, I think I think that's the thing that we could see from this yourlanguagesucks.com. You guys could check it out in the description, or maybe you guys have something in mind or not agree with this website. You could always start a discussion on the comment section. Well, anyway, thanks for today. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.